Hi everyone! We're going to continue doing our writing from home. So how we are going to do that is still practice tapping out our sounds and figuring out when we are stuck on a word how many sounds are in that word first, and then fill in the letter, okay? So we'll practice together today. I'm going to be showing you a picture card. So if you see the picture, think of what that picture is of. It's of an animal. Got it in your head? Okay. Let's tap that sound out. So the picture is of a cat. Let's tap that sound out. Ready? K, a, t. So how many sounds do you hear in cat? 3. Let's write our focus word at the top of our paper, okay? Help me with it. Sound cat out with me. K, a, Good job, boys and girls. So we're going to write a sentence about a cat today, okay? And what I really want you to focus on is, what does this cat look like first? And then our second sentence can be about details maybe that the cat would do, okay? So let's focus on, what does this cat look like? Maybe look and see, what color is the cat? Is the cat orange? Let's tap out the sounds for orange. That might be a word we want to use in our sentence. And Ms. Rosales always writes her key words up here on the board for you guys to use in your sentences, so the really hard thinking work is already done. We did it as a group, okay? So let's think of how many sounds are in orange. That's a really long word. Ready? Or, N, J. 3 sounds. Or, N, J. Let's draw our 3 lines. Ready? You can watch me or do it with me. Or, N, J. And before we start, remember, we talk about how those silly English people made up their own type of rules when it comes to spelling. And this is one of those words that, the letters that are in this word is not what it sounds like. So let's go through it and I'll show you, okay? Or. So I hear one sound, or, but there's 2 letters in that. Or. O. And then that sound, or, N. So when you hear you think of the vowel E, But you know what? In this word, it's so silly. It's actually an A. So silly. Or, N, J. Now there's 2 letters that make that J sound, and orange is a G. And then that sneaky, sneaky E at the end. Orange. Okay, so the cat's orange. There's a keyword you can use in your sentence. Let's look and see what else we can. Do you think the cat's small or big? Typically, cats are usually pretty small, okay? Let's sound out small together. Small. Oh, 2 sounds. Small. Do it with me. Small. All right, so I'm going to write my 2 lines for my 2 sounds. All. What sounds do you hear in sm? What letters do you think make that sound? Sm. I hear an S, and an M. Good. And then all. It's one of our sight words. All. A-L-L. And I should have this line over here, kind of closer together. So we have orange and small. Let's create our sentence with that. We've got 3 keywords we can use. Cat, orange, small. Remember, all those sight words that we've been learning in class, you also can use in your sentence. You know how to read them, and you know how to write them. So try really hard reading and writing them correctly, okay? So I think if we look at these words, maybe a sentence we could write is, the cat is small and orange. How about that? Let's do that one together, okay? The. Remember, we're going to capitalize the first letter of our sentence. And then we're going to do a space. And usually we use spacemen in the classroom, but today you're going to use your finger. The cat space is, you know that sight word. Space, what was that next word? The cat is small. Go down here at the bottom because we don't have any more room on the first line. And space, orange. Very good. Now, boys and girls, I forgot to mention that if you have any sort of paper, pencil, or crayon, or a marker at home, you can go ahead and practice it with me too. You can write your lines. If you don't, that's okay. Do some air writing. Do the, with your finger in the air, and then cat, with your finger in the air, C-A-T, is, with your finger, I-S. Okay, so you can go ahead and practice your sentences with us. Just do it in the air. All right, friends, and I said we were going to try and focus on 2 sentences today, one about what the cat looked like. The next would be maybe what the cat will do. So Ms. Rosales will start a sentence for you, and I want you to finish it on your own at home, okay? So maybe the second sentence is, let's fix that T. The cat, do a space. Another new word, so another space, likes, and another space, to. So we have the cat likes to. Now I'm going to put a line here. I want you to fill that line in. Anything that you put here, you can write, boys and girls. Just remember, tap out your sounds and then try and think what letters make that sound, okay? All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.